వరల్డ్ హంగర్ డేను పురస్కరించుకుని హైదరాబాద్ సోమాజిగూడలోని మలబార్ గోల్డ్ అండ్ డైమండ్స్ షోరూం నిర్వాహకులు ప్రత్యేక కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించారు. ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా పాల్గొన్న డీఏజీ గజరావు భూపాల్, ఏరోస్పేస్ అండ్ డిఫెన్స్ డైరెక్టర్ ప్రవీణ్, మలబార్ గోల్డ్ రిటైల్ హెడ్ సిరాజ్ వరల్డ్ హంగర్ డే లోగోను ఆవిష్కరించారు. 51,000 పౌష్టికాహార ప్యాకెట్లు పంపిణీ చేయబోతున్నట్లు ప్రకటించారు.
Education, healthcare, and other social welfare programs. We have do our CSR activities or other social welfare activities in our where our store is located or store is operation. Also, we have allocated 5% of our annual income, annual profit to the CSR event. That is the way Malabar Charitable Trust works.
Very poor and very needy. It's a very great initiative. I appreciate it. Which face malnourishment, which face improper nourishment, more than malnourishment. They're targeted groups where some children, especially when they're adolescent age, especially girls, where they need more nutrition than they what normally needs. That is the unmet need, and I'm very happy that Malabar Gold and Diamond has specifically targeted adolescent girls and also old age people for their initiative. And
it's an honor to be in this occasion. In fact, when Mr. Siraj told that there's a CSR initiative, typically every company has a CSR budget and CSR mandate to do it. But I was very glad to hear that you allocate 5% of your total profit, because mandatorily it is 2%, so it's much more than what is required. That is one.